To trade Bitcoin on Robinhood, start by downloading and installing the Robinhood app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After creating your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID and your social security number. This is a standard process to ensure the security of your account and to comply with regulatory requirements. Once your account is verified, you can fund it by linking your bank account or using a debit card. Robinhood does not charge any fees for depositing or withdrawing funds, and you can start trading with as little as $1. To trade Bitcoin, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Bitcoin. Select the Bitcoin option from the search results, and you will be taken to the Bitcoin detail page. On this page, you can view the current price of Bitcoin, as well as its performance over different time periods. To buy Bitcoin, tap on the Buy button and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose to buy a specific dollar amount of Bitcoin, or you can specify the number of Bitcoins you want to buy. Review your order carefully before submitting it, and make sure you understand the risks involved in trading Bitcoin. To sell Bitcoin, tap on the Sell button and enter the amount you want to sell. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to specify the price at which you want to sell your Bitcoin. This can be useful if you want to lock in a profit or limit your losses. It is essential to keep in mind that trading Bitcoin is a high-risk activity, and you could lose some or all of your investment. It is crucial to do your research and understand the market before making any trades. Additionally, Robinhood offers a variety of educational resources and tools to help you get started with trading Bitcoin. In conclusion, trading Bitcoin on Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the instructions outlined in this guide, you can start trading Bitcoin on Robinhood and take advantage of the potential benefits of investing in cryptocurrency. Always remember to trade responsibly and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.